Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make this amazing Cantonese styled pork belly. Alright, absolutely wonderful to eat, and I actually cooked this one on Christmas Day. I've got one orange. I'm going to peel that, just roughly chop that peel up and put that straight into a slow cooker. We're going to squeeze all that beautiful juice out of that orange, and we're only using around about half the peel out of that orange, maybe a little bit more, and that orange peel gives it a real unique and characteristic flavor. So we're going to put all the juice of that orange straight in, some white pepper to taste, around about maybe half a teaspoon's worth. They can go straight in. We're going to add in 4, 5, maybe 6, 7 star anise. They can go straight in. 1 cinnamon quill, snap that in half, throw that into the mix as well, and it's going to give us the beautiful flavors that we need. I'm going to add in maybe around about 2 tablespoons worth of Zhaoxing wine, or Chinese rice wine. That can go straight in. We're going to add in a good slurp, again probably 2 tablespoons worth of red vinegar. It's going to cut through some of the sweetness. A little bit of sesame oil, around about 2, maybe 3 teaspoons worth. Give that a little bit of a stir around like that, and I'm going to check and see how our seasoning is going. I want this a little bit salty, but also want it fairly sweet, so I'm going to add in probably around about 4 tablespoons worth of ketchup manis. It's going to give us a nice little salt factor. Here I've got my pork belly. I'm just going to rub him dry a little bit. Just check him over, make sure he's good. He can go straight into our slow cooker like that, skin side up. We're not going for a crispy skin on this one. We're going for maximum flavor penetration. Alright, put the lid on like that. I'm going to turn that on low for around about 2 to 2.5 hours. Not very long at all. Right. That time has gone past. We can see a little bit of bubblage on the bottom of that slow cooker. We're going to carefully take that pork belly out like that, and I'm putting that on some foil. As you can see, the foil is oversized. I'm just going to keep him nice and rested and comfy. Now, take all that liquid from your slow cooker and reduce that down. Take it nice and slow. Let it just bubble away, let it simmer away for a couple of hours, a nice low heat. We don't want anything burnt. Now, here is our anemic looking pork belly. Don't worry, it will get better from here. What I'm simply going to do, I'm going to cut these into pieces around about 1 inch wide, 25 millimeters. You can go thicker or a little bit thinner if you want, but we're just going to cut these up into nice little battens like that. And this beautiful pork belly is so tender at the moment. We don't want to overdo it. Going to keep that covered for around about the next half an hour or so while my sauce reduces. 1 hot plate on the barbecue. We're going to get that really nice and hot. We just want to sear these off, give them a nice little bit of color. Put those straight down, and don't forget to grease your hot plate as well. We don't want anything sticking. Right, so put those straight down. They're only going to take around about 5 to 8 minutes per side, if that, and we can get ready to serve these up. I'm simply just going to serve these up with a little bit of a side salad and some rice, and that is all we need to do. Alright, so make sure nothing's sticking. Make sure we're getting a nice even heat going through. Give them a turn and try and get all sides a little bit brown. You can attempt to try and get the skin crispy. It won't work all the time. You can be lucky sometimes, and it will crisp up just nicely. So keep turning those around on the barbecue. Keep them moving. We just want that real nice seared side on all edges if we possibly can. Right, so there we go. Now, time for us to serve up. Here's our rice. We've just cooked that in the rice cooker, and if you don't have a rice cooker, I tell you what, it is the best investment money can buy. This particular rice cooker, it's a Canberra brand. I'm not sponsored by them, but I picked that up at a after Christmas sale for about $20, and we absolutely beat the hell out of it. Believe me, we really do. So arrange your pork belly pieces just nicely like that so it looks pretty. Get that sauce which we have reduced, spoon that straight over the top, and that sauce is really zingy with the citrus, salty and sweet. Now, how easy was that to do? Takes a bit of time, but it is definitely worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends, all platforms and social media. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something a little bit easy and different like this. Well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've already eaten this. I know how good it tastes. And I will catch you next time. Bye.